Welcome to the YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub, your one-stop solution for expert guidance, best practices, and actionable knowledge in the world of contact centers. Explore, learn, and enhance contact center skills. Let's now go in depth into forecasting, significance and impact, especially through the dual lens of contact center operations and business strategy financial planning. We'll unpack this in structured layers, moving from operational relevance to strategic and AI-enabled transformation. Let's understand the foundational significance of forecasting, because it's far more than just a prediction exercise. Forecasting is a decision-enabling discipline. Its true value lies in how accurately and timely it aligns resources, costs, and customer demand. Let's look at its core areas of significance. First, predictive visibility. Forecasting provides foresight into upcoming workload, staffing, and revenue patterns. For example, we'll need 15% more agents in week 48 due to the Diwali offer campaign. Second, operational stability. It smoothens daily fluctuations by allowing leaders to preemptively adjust capacity. For instance, handle the 8 a.m. call spike through staggered logins. Third, financial accuracy. Forecasting drives cost to serve and profit planning with precision. Example, expected volume is up 12%, so forecast higher telecom and payroll costs. Fourth, customer experience continuity. By matching resource levels to real demand, forecasting prevents service level breaches and keeps the customer experience consistent. Like, maintain the 80 to 20 service level even during promotional surges. And fifth, strategic foresight. It supports long-term scalability and investment timing. For example, a 20% year-over-year digital growth trend justifies chatbot automation investment. In summary, forecasting builds the bridge between insight and execution. It empowers organizations to plan smarter, act earlier, and deliver better every single time. Let's explore the operational impact of forecasting in contact centers, starting with its direct influence on workforce management efficiency. First, accurate volume forecasting ensures the right staffing levels. When we overforecast, we end up with idle agents and higher costs. When we underforecast, we get long queues, poor service levels, and customer frustration. Balanced accuracy keeps both efficiency and experience in check. Second, AHT forecasting leads to realistic schedules. By correctly estimating average handle time, planners can design shifts that maintain occupancy within the optimal 80 to 85% range, preventing agent burnout and overutilization. Third, shrinkage forecasting supports attendance and leave planning. By predicting loss of productive hours due to breaks, training, and absenteeism, we avoid short staffing and maintain stable service coverage. The overall impact is powerful. Better SLA compliance, meeting service standards consistently. Higher occupancy and utilization, maximizing productivity without stress. And lower overtime and attrition, because scheduling aligns perfectly with demand. In summary, accurate forecasting turns workforce management from a reactive chore into a proactive strength, delivering efficiency, balance, and a healthier operation. Let's now see how forecasting drives service level optimization and financial performance inside a contact center. First, service level optimization. Forecast accuracy directly determines the achievable service level. Even a 10% error in call volume can swing service level by plus or minus 7 to 10%. But when forecasts are reliable, leaders can act proactively, scheduling overtime, deploying cross-skilled agents, or executing shift swaps before performance drops. The result? Sustained SLA achievement, reduced penalty risk, and stronger client trust. Second, cost and profitability management. Forecasting is the foundation of financial control. Accurate predictions of volume and average handle time generate dependable cost forecasts, critical for payroll, telecom, and technology budgeting. Through predictive workforce management, you maintain labor efficiency, avoiding overstaffing, which creates idle cost, and understaffing, which triggers escalations and repeat contacts. Forecasts also power CPA and bill-to-cost models, linking operational inputs directly to financial outputs. The impact is clear: lower cost variance, tighter control over budgets, and stronger profitability consistency across campaigns and seasons. In summary, forecasting excellence safeguards both performance and profit. It's the bridge between smooth operations, cost control, and long-term client confidence. Let's now connect forecasting to one of its most powerful outcomes: customer experience and brand equity. When forecasts are accurately aligned with demand surges, the customer feels the difference immediately. Wait times stay short, and service levels remain consistent, even peaks. Repeat contacts reduce because customers are served right the first time, driving higher first call resolution. And as a result, both Net Promoter Score and customer retention rise steadily. The impact is clear. Forecasting quality defines brand reliability. When you plan capacity precisely, your customers experience stability, trust, and confidence in your brand every single time. Let's look at the strategic and financial impact of forecasting, how accurate predictions influence capital, contracts, and overall business resilience. A. Capacity and capital planning. Accurate forecasting helps determine future seat, system, or cloud license requirements. It prevents both underinvestment, which restricts growth, and premature expansion, which leaves assets idle. The result: optimized capital allocation and reduced idle cost. B. Budgeting and revenue forecasting. Forecasts built on volume, average handle time, and rate assumptions power financial planning for payroll, OPEX, and telecom expenses. With mature forecasting models, organizations can achieve quarterly or annual budget accuracy within plus or minus 3%. That level of precision builds investor and client confidence. C. Contract and pricing strategy. For BPOs and service providers, accurate forecasting underpins per FTE and per transaction pricing models. When forecasts miss the mark, contracts risk becoming loss-making or SLA penalized. Strong forecasting, on the other hand, sustains healthy bill-to-pay and bill-to-cost ratios. D. Risk management and business continuity. Forecasting identifies volume volatility risk zones, such as festival peaks, seasonal surges, or market slowdowns. It enables scenario planning, asking questions like, what if volume jumps 25%, or what if HT drops by 10%? This foresight reduces SLA breach risk and ensures smoother recovery and continuity planning. In summary, accurate forecasting is the backbone of strategic control. It connects operations, finance, and risk management, ensuring that every decision, from staffing to pricing, is both data-driven and financially sound. Let's now examine the cross-functional significance of forecasting, because accurate forecasting doesn't just help operations, it aligns the entire organization around a single version of the future. For operations, forecasting drives headcount planning, scheduling accuracy, and occupancy control. It ensures the right number of people are in place at the right time. For HR and training, it supports hiring plans and batch scheduling, perfectly aligned to forecasted ramp-ups or new campaign launches. This prevents last-minute staffing pressure and training bottlenecks. For finance, forecasting is the foundation of budgeting, cost control, and ROI tracking. It helps finance teams connect operational demand directly to spend and profitability. For client management, accurate forecasting builds client confidence by demonstrating delivery readiness and capacity assurance. It's a key trust factor in long-term partnerships. For IT and infrastructure, it guides license management, bandwidth provisioning, and system capacity forecasting, ensuring the technology backbone scales smoothly with demand. And for quality and performance teams, forecasting helps set realistic targets based on expected workload, balancing ambition with achievability. In summary, forecasting is the glue that connects all functions. When operations, HR, finance, IT, and client management work from the same forecast, the organization moves in rhythm, efficient, aligned, and future-ready. Let's understand how forecasting accuracy creates a powerful ripple effect across performance and profitability. A seemingly small 5% improvement in forecast accuracy can unlock major gains. A 2 to 3% reduction in excess staffing cost, as schedules and headcount perfectly aligned with demand. A 1 to 2% improvement in service level and first contact resolution, as the right resources are in place at the right time. A 3 to 5% decrease in cost per acquisition, thanks to better utilization and reduced idle time. Point uplift in Net Promoter Score, driven by faster responses and consistent service delivery. In conclusion, forecast accuracy is a multiplier. It doesn't just optimize schedules, it boosts efficiency, customer experience, and profitability, all at once. Now let's explore the AI-enabled impact on forecasting, where predictive intelligence meets real-time adaptability. Adaptive models. Artificial intelligence learns continuously from live data, automatically adjusting forecasts for new holidays, promotions, and anomalies. Granular forecasting. Instead of broad daily estimates, AI enables 15-minute or intraday forecasts, giving operations precise visibility for staffing and scheduling. Scenario simulation. AI models can instantly answer questions. For example, if average handle time drops by 8%, required staffing reduces by 40 full-time equivalents. Self-healing forecasts. When AI detects forecast drift beyond a defined threshold, it automatically retrains the model, calibration needed. Integration impact. AI connects data from CRM, marketing, workforce management, and ERP systems, creating an end-to-end predictive ecosystem. The result? Faster response, lower forecast variance, and truly predict across every department. Let's now understand the economic and business value of forecasting, how accuracy translates directly into financial strength. Profit margin stability. Accurate forecasting aligns revenue and cost structures with real demand, helping businesses protect margins even during working capital efficiency. By anticipating true workload, forecasting prevents excess cash being tied up in idle capacity or overstaffing. Valuation confidence. Investors and leadership teams favor predictable performance curves. Consistent accuracy builds trust and credibility in business valuation. ROI on automation. Forecasting allows organizations to quantify potential savings before implementation, ensuring every automation or AI investment is data-backed and financially sound. Forecasting isn't just operational, it's economic intelligence that drives profit stability, liquidity, and sustainable growth. Now, let's look at the organizational impact of forecasting, how it empowers every level of the enterprise. Leadership impact. Forecasting enables truly data-driven decision-making. It promotes accountability by ensuring that every variance, whether in cost level or staffing, is visible and actionable. Middle management impact. For managers, forecasting provides performance baselines for coaching, scheduling, and improvement planning. It helps teams link operational performance directly to business outcomes. Frontline team impact. Accurate forecasts ensure fair workload distribution and predictable shifts, reducing stress and improving morale, retention, and engagement. Overall impact. Forecasting acts as the central nervous system of operational intelligence, connecting processes and performance under one predictive framework. Let's conclude with a summary of why forecasting truly matters, not just as a planning function, but as a core business discipline. Operational excellence. Forecasting aligns capacity with demand, reducing waste, overtime, and inefficiency across the organization. Financial predictability. It converts uncertainty into planned expenditure, allowing leadership to budget with confidence and accuracy. Customer experience consistency. By anticipating demand and resourcing ahead of time, forecasting prevents service failures and protects brand. Strategic agility. It equips leadership with scenario foresight, enabling quick, data-backed decisions in dynamic business environments. AI-driven evolution. Modern forecasting transforms from reactive reporting to self-optimizing intelligence and improving accuracy over time. In short, forecasting is not just about predicting the future, it's about shaping it intelligently. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next video.